Well, look who's back. Welcome to Learn with Miss B, where we make learning English a little less painful. Today we will cover the word do, how to conjugate it, and then how to use do in questions. The word do is both an action and an auxiliary verb. Don't worry, big words, okay? Do not worry. Don't worry. You get it. For example, I do exercise every day. I do lie also. I'm kidding. But listen, let's look at this chart together and hopefully it'll make more sense. Remember, I read and you repeat after me. Let's look. I, as our subject, will be followed by the verb do. I do. You do. He does. She does. It does. We do. They do. Hold on. Does? That looks like do-es. Do-es. It's does. Repeat after me. Does. So it's a pretty easy table to conjugate, but it's always difficult for my students to pronounce the word does. For example, she does volleyball, or he does mathematics. Of course, we have to go over how we use it in the negative, and then the negative short form. So let's start with the negative. I do not. You do not. He does not. She does not. It does not. We do not. They do not. Just like many of our other verbs, we add the word not, but English speakers do not say, I do not exercise. I don't exercise. Don't is the contraction of do and not. So let's look at this last table real quick. I don't. You don't. He doesn't. She doesn't. It doesn't. We don't. They don't. For some examples, I don't know. You don't care. He doesn't understand. She doesn't like plants. No, we use do and don't in positive or negative sentences, but also we can use it to ask questions. So here's the deal. You put do or does in front of your subject and you have a question. He likes his job. Does he like his job? One more example. We like pizza. Do we like pizza? We do. We do. So when you're answering questions, do you like pizza? You respond with yes, I do, or no, I don't. You can also answer for other people. Does she like animals? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. Quick grammar side note here. If someone asks you if you have something, for example, do you have a pencil? You only use the word do in response. Do you have a pencil? Yes, I do. Not, yes, I do have. No. No. Do you have a pencil? Yes, I do. We use do with many different kinds of verbs. Do you like pizza? Do you read books? Do you have a phone? You all answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. So yes and no questions are pretty easy. You just have to listen for the word do. So, do you like this video? If yes, please give it a like below and also make sure to comment. Give me one statement in the positive and one statement in the negative for the word do. For example, you can say, I do my laundry. I don't do my dishes. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and now you're able to understand yes and no questions, as well as the extremely common word of do. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you like these videos, be sure to subscribe below. That way I show up on your homepage. All right, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Till then.